everyone! Today we're unboxing Huawei's first ever HarmonyOS powered foldable laptop, the MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. Let's dive in. Okay, here's the box. Wow, the laptop is right on top. It's unbelievably thin. Like, is this even possible? Let me hold it up. Seriously, this is insane. The entire chassis is wrapped in this premium cloudwater blue leather, a soft blue-gray shade that feels luxurious. The back panel is divided into 4 sections. This part here? Oh, it's the kickstand. Let's unfold it. There we go, sturdy. Now let's fold it for the first time. Whoa! It folds down to a 13-inch tablet size, but with 0 bezels, just pure screen. Unfolded, it's a massive 18-inch OLED display, like carrying a 4K monitor in your bag. The thickness? Comparable to a regular Ultrabook, but way sleeker since both halves are symmetrical. Now the accessories: leather sleeve, magnetic closure, lined with soft velvet to protect the screen. Charger. Huge brick with a non-foldable. Plug, but blazing fast charging. Thin wireless keyboard. This is paper-thin, 290 grams. Connects via USB-C, has a power button and a .7A rating with orange accents. Premium touch, microfiber cloth, for polishing that gorgeous screen. Hardware deep dive. Let's inspect the laptop's design. Hinge mechanism. Huawei's Basalt water drop. Hinge. 285 mm long, triple axis, and buttery smooth. No crease visible. It locks at any angle between 0 degree and 150 degree. HarmonyOS 5. Walk-through time to power it on. Boots up instantly into HarmonyOS Nest 5.0.1. Setup is seamless. QR pairing. Scan a code with your Huawei phone and bam, connected. Files transfer at 160 bs. A fingerprint power combo button, and speaker grills. Speakers, triple setup, 2 on the right, 1 on the left. Here. That. Perfect for TikTok. Look at this 18-inch vertical screen, no black bars. Horizontal media. Watch Netflix in 4:3 ratio. The OLED colors pop. Laptop mode, folded plus keyboard, magnetic. Attachment. Snap the keyboard to the bottom half. Instantly transforms into a clamshell laptop. Trackpad. Gestures. 3-finger swipe up for multitasking, just like a regular MateBook. 3 desktop mode. Stand plus wireless keyboard. Kickstand plus wireless keyboard. Prop it up like a mini all. Three-finger swipe up, open multitasking, pinch in. Need to type. The bottom half becomes a virtual keyboard and typing demo. Let's test the virtual keyboard. Activation. Tap the screen with 8 fingers. Yes, 8. Customization. Themes. Retro, cyberpunk, minimalist. Even a mechanical keyboard. Theme with clicky sounds. Haptic feedback. 2 X-axis linear motors simulate keystrokes. Feel that? It's not a real keyboard, but the vibration is satisfying. Shortcuts. Hold the Hongmeng key and shortcuts glow. Ctrl+C-V, screen capture, etc. Genius for new users. Anti-mistouch. Rest your palms on the screen. No accidental taps. Works flawlessly. Typing test. Speed is decent, but it'll take time to adjust. The swipe to delete feature is cool. Slide left to erase text. Protection. Try closing it with the keyboard attached. Nope. It beeps and blocks you. Smart. App optimization. Only the 150 apps are foldable optimized. See the stretching? Huawei's got work to do. Weight. 1.16 kilos is light for an 8. Huawei's MateBook Fold isn't just a laptop, it's a shape-shifting revolution. The Hinge engineering, HarmonyOS, integration, and sheer ambition blew me away. Is it perfect? No. But for $3,300, you're paying for the future. Drop a comment. Would you buy this or stick with traditional laptops? Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next.